Hey Glams, it's your host again, Natana with The Glam Life. Well, I'll be providing complete beauty tips, techniques, and testimonials to reveal the glam in you. If you are new to this channel, please click that red subscribe button below. And once again, thank you to all my returning viewers, subscribers, as well as followers. Back here with another video. This is going to be an updated wash day routine, much needed video. It's been a long time coming. I'm happy to be back with you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm on week 3 hair and it's time for me to wash it, and it is pretty tangled. It's pretty matted in some areas. Surprisingly, it is not dry. It's actually moisturized, but I want to try to make wash day a little bit more of an ease. So I have taken some additional steps, which has also prolonged it, but it has helped my tresses as well. So I'm going to first remove my wedding rings. I do not want them to get tangled, which can cause breakage. And I'm just going to start off with a pre-poo, and I'm going in with the G.L.A.M. 23 Repair and Renew. This is the number 2 conditioner. This is the keratin and argan oil conditioner. Now, I am liking this conditioner. I've been using it for quite some time. I have not really put it in my YouTube videos because I pretty much use it as a pre-poo to kind of like detangle, but being that I do have some breakage in some areas, I guess because the weather is changing, I'm going to go in and pre-poo with this. So basically, when I pre-poo with conditioner, my hair is pretty much dry. I'm going to shake some of this down, and I'm just going to put a generous amount in my hand, and I'm just going to apply it in sections and just kind of like lightly finger detangle. And this just pretty much helps loosen up the strands. And I added this additional step to help with the wash day, to help come a bit more of an ease. So I'm just going to go through and apply this all over. Now you can pretty much use any conditioner that you want. I'm just using this. I picked this up because it was on sale. You know me, if it's on sale, I'm going to buy and try it, and I actually did like it. So I'm again just going in just makeshift sections, nothing fancy, and just the goal is just to get the product pretty much applied all over the strands to help loosen it up when I wash. And during this process, this allows for me to get in, get out all those tangles, get out all those knots, and help kind of like put some extra moisture in my hair when I go to wash, because as you all know, I do use hair grease on my hair, so I have to use a clarifying shampoo to get all of the product out. So being that I do use hair grease on the hair, a clarifying shampoo is a must. So this is an added step right here. And being that we are in the fall months, I've already been pre-pooing prior to, but I make sure that I do this now on a regular, just so that my hair can be extra moisturized. I will see you all once I rinse this out, and I'm going to go on to step 2 of my new wash day routine. All right, Glam, so I am back with step 2 of my wash day routine, and I pre-pooed in the previous step, and I used the G.L.A.M. 23 keratin and argan oil conditioner. Now I'm going in with the VO5 Island Coconut shampoo. This is a clarifying shampoo, and the reason why I do use clarifying shampoos is because I use silicones, parabens, as well as hair greases on my hair. So my hair is still a little bit damp. I did not get all the water out, because I'm going to pretty much show you how I wash my hair on camera. And I pretty much take the shampoo and I pretty much apply it all over my hair, because being that I do use, you know, products such as the petroleum, you definitely want to get all that product out of the hair. And I pretty much just work the product in, as you all see right here, and I go down the hair shaft. And being that I use the pre-poo with the conditioner first, it has helped much easier when I'm washing. I'm able to go through the strands and separate them and get out all the shed hair. This is pretty much how I go in. We just turn around for you all to see. And just get a good wash on my hair. And I will see you all once I rinse this out. All right, Glam. So I am done with step 2 of my current wash day routine. I pre-pooed with the keratin and argan oil conditioner, followed by the VO5 Island Coconut Shampoo. Now I am on to deep conditioning, which is a must step when you are washing your hair. And I'm going to be deep conditioning with the Herbal Essences Hello Hydration Conditioner. Now this is a curl friendly product. So I'm going to be going in with this, and deep conditioning is also a must, especially with natural hair. That helps replenish the hair with the much needed moisture due to the wash process getting it all out. And being that I did use a clarifying shampoo that does have the cones and the parabens in there, I'm going to actually need to deep condition to, again, help get that moisture back in those strands. So I'm just taking this conditioner and have you all to see the generous amount that I'm taking, and I'm applying it down the hair shaft. Now I use these conditioners as stylers as well, even though they do say rinse out on the bottle. I use these as stylers. I don't too much get in the labeling of things when it comes to leave in, rinse out. Now if it's a deep conditioner, I will not use it as, if it says deep conditioner on the product, correction, I will not use it as a styler. And now if it does say rinse out on the product, I will use it as a leave-in. But if it says deep conditioner on the product itself, I will not use it as a leave-in. And just taking some more, grabbing another section of hair, and I'm just able to glide right through with ease because of these added steps. Detangling my hair is so much easier, and it's actually saved me some time, because you all know, dealing with natural hair, I know I thought it was going to be much more easier, but being that my hair is no longer relaxed, it actually takes time, because you have to deal with tangles, you have to deal with making sure that you don't have any knots. So this has caused me to pack a lot of patience going through this process, but this process has also allowed for me to learn my hair. So I'm just going to work this product in, and I will show you all the results when I rinse this out. So here is the rinse out of the deep conditioner. My hair is soft, the moisture did get back in. It is detangled, and you all see I do have a little bit of the curl definition in my hair. So I'm about to continue this video off camera with styling. And until next time, Glams, be blessed and be glamorous.